Hello guys, welcome to another TestLink tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the inventory management in TestLink. So in the previous tutorials, we have seen how you can define the custom fields, then define the keywords, how you can assign those custom fields and keywords, etc. And also we have seen a lot about the users and roles, how you can create those and assign, as well as the platform management in TestLink. Now, the other bit that TestLink provides is inventory management. And what exactly is inventory when we talk about any of the test projects? So a test project will be having some of the hardware and software requirement when we say you are developing an application or um, a particular software that might be supported on um, different platforms, say for example different OSs and different flavors of hardware and software. Now that can be managed in the platform, but there are other things. So for example, you are doing a mobile application or a banking application that needs to be supported on different devices or different mobile devices along with the desktop computers and browsers. Now, when you require all the different sort of devices to test the application that you are developing, say for example, an iPhone or a Samsung phone with different, versions of OS and etc., then all that hardware requirement or different combination of the uh, inventory that is required for that particular test program to succeed, you define it in the inventory management. So you keep track of what all inventory is required for the particular test project. So to go to the inventory management, you go to the home page and you have the inventory management section. Click on inventory management and you can create, edit and delete inventory from there. So if you create the inventory, it will ask for the host name. So for example, I need iPhone for a particular sort of iPhone, so XR, and that's the hardware, and who is the owner for that particular hardware, and what is the purpose and notes. So you can define the purpose and notes. So you'll say to test um, the iOS app, and similarly, you can define in the notes that this particular device should be available by this date and will be required until this date for this release to be tested. So you can provide all that in notes as well, right? And click on save, and you can see that particular data has been saved. So similarly, you can create other inventory of devices or hardware that is required to test the particular application in the inventory list. If you want to edit, just click on edit, and to delete the inventory, just click on select and delete the inventory. Sorry. So that's pretty much all about adding, editing, and deleting inventory in TestLink. Hope you like the video. Please do share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.